Alright, well, welcome to part 7. Right now I'm going to the car. Sorry I didn't upload it right away after part 6, just like all the other parts. I've just been going through some stuff. Haven't touched the car actually until part 6, but now that we're on part 7, I'm just gonna basically try to do as much as I can today. I still need to get a starter and a coolant line, and I need to figure out where some plugs go with the wiring harness, and maybe I'll get the front on as well. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, well, for part 7, basically I got the whole front on, but I messed up. I should have waited because I still need to get a starter over there, and I need to take that out, and it'd be easier to get it in. What's left is I need to put the control arm back, all that right there back in that side, the axle, and then need to put this axle in, and then I need to do the same thing on this side, and then I need to put the cat on right there in the back. Alright, it's like 3 days later since I filmed putting the front on, which I really didn't film. Today we're gonna do everything 100%, and it's not gonna be running today, but I'm waiting on the starter and a coolant line. Alright, so I had to leave to go pick up everything because we got lucky. So we got the brand new starter, we got all the fluid, new coolant line. So today we're actually going to be able to finish it in part 7, or I'll make another part 8 explaining some other things. But alright, well, so this video is going to be all over the place, but basically I did buy a complete OEM cold air intake. This car is going 100% back to stock, only besides the rear motor mount. It's a COBB one, because I'm not going to buy a stock one. Doesn't need it. Basically all I did was bolt this in, figured out the wiring harness section for here. Basically it goes to a sensor here, and then it goes to the hood latch right here, and then the other actual one goes down there to the alternator. I got all the fluids. I actually got everything in today, so I got the brand new coolant line right here, and I got a brand new starter from Amazon. So now I can complete that with the coolant line there, and then I can I'm gonna have to take this Symposer thing off for the starter, because it goes down in there. What's left to get this thing running is obviously complete putting the downpipe on. This side is done right here. It just needs a rear sway bar end link. I guess it was bad on this side. This side needs to be done right here, and then I need to put the intercooler on and everything like that. So while I get doing that, it's kind of hard and time consuming to film while I do it. But basically I'm just gonna get it done and I'll show you guys. Alright, so now what I did, I just put the brand new starter on. So this is the brand new one, but the solenoid, well, it didn't fit. So we just swapped solenoids from the new one, put it on the old one. So it's right there. Put the bracket over it, and it's funny how there's literally a bracket to hold all this stuff in. It's actually pretty neat. And then that's the sensor right there, and yeah. So fast forwarding, waiting for a tool for this side for the axle. Get to rethread that axle, but basically we're gonna turn it on. We just put the oil in, the new oil in, put some coolant in there. OEM intake is on, intercooler's on. Just gonna leave, all the other stuff off. We're just gonna test the motor right now, make sure it turns on, and the battery's not dead. That would suck. And then looks like, see, I just missed something right here. Gotta plug this in. There we go. Now that's in. Already added the new coolant line. I think I already said that. Coolant line starter's on. Hopefully that's on there tight. Pretty should be. Everything's plugged in for the most part. Seems like just the headlights. But yeah, moving on slowly. Alright, put the intake from my car real quick in here, because I just gotta go get one. Everything's on. We're just gonna test the motor. Obviously just, to see if it'll turn on and such things. And then turn it off, and then button everything up. Just gonna be sick.
You're just gonna prime it, right?
Oh yeah. Good over here. unplug the plugs. Spark plugs.
Oh, you could have just done that thing that they told you to do. Press the gas all the way in.
Yeah, those have to be unplugged, no?
No. Give me a second. So you still just hold the gas all the way in and just try to crank it on.
Alright, gas all the way in?
Yeah. That's how we did it last time, remember? When we were drinking it? No. And then just the clutch in. Like you're gonna turn it on, but it's gonna
Clutch into it?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Battery die? Everything's on?
Yeah. It just died?
That right now?
Well, everything's on.
Battery's probably good.
No key detected.
Wait, this works.
It says no key detected.
The key ring.
Did you not bring it? Oh!
Wait.
Nah, once the Fiesta's right. Fuck.
Wait, no, the Fiesta key.
Try to unlock this one with one of the keys.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's not it. Wait.
Because I forgot to bring the fucking key for it. Because I have these. One for, and I thought one of them was because what? One for the Fiesta and one for the Focus. I gotta go. I just gotta go get the key. Yep. And then we'll fucking see.
Hey.
Alright, so the blue one right now doesn't have an intake, so I'm gonna just take this one out of my car right here and then put it in the blue one, and then we're gonna start
Behind here.
Alright, well, we're gonna attempt to start it. There's nothing under there or anything? Like,
No, I unplugged the
make sure
coils because they're gonna prime it. Yeah, I unplugged the coils because they're gonna prime it, right?
oh yeah, I forgot.
So
Gas
clutch
and
in.
clutch, right?
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Clutch it, the clutch and the gas. Clutch in
Yeah,
and then just start it.
and gas all the way in, yeah, and then try to start it.
See anything?
Nah, I think we're golden. Do it one more time. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna throw in those
Wait, let me do it one more time. Hey, the starter works with the different solenoid.
Yeah, I told you. That'll be good. It wouldn't even be turning.
Alright. Gonna start it right after this. Everything looks good in here. Part 7 is currently being filmed. That's a bad angle, huh? There's barely any light. You think you can hold it? It's just gonna be loud, fool.
Yeah, give me a sec. Let me move back.
Alright, ready? Hey, it runs. Alright, what's smoking? Oil?
Yeah.
Oil burning and shit. Here, I'll take that. I'll hold it.
I think it's the exhaust housing as well.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna be smoking hella. Check back here.
Where?
Yeah, it smells like exhaust gas.
Yeah, it's all exhaust gas. You can tell right away.
Yeah. Yeah, fool. We're golden. That just sounded healthy as fuck.
Yeah, it did actually. You could hear the turbo the whole time. Just shoo, shoo, shoo.
Hey, we're
Fuck
Gucci.
yeah, boy.
First try. Fool. Actually, literally first try.
Part 7's gonna be fucking long as fuck. Damn. Alright, well, let's get into part 7. Tomorrow we're gonna button it up, get that downpipe on, and then we'll be golden, pony boy. And then on the other side of this other axle over here, we just gotta put the brand new sway bar end link on here, and then tires and everything like that, and we'll be Gucci.